Hello friends, today we are going to see Java Applet. Applet is a special type of program that is embedded in the web page to generate the dynamic content. It runs inside a browser and works at client side. Means Java is a client side program and servlet is a server side program. Advantages of applet: there will be the three advantages of the applet are there. It works at client side, so less responsive time required. It is a secured and it can be executed by browser running under many platforms including Linux operating system, Mac operating system, etc. Now, what will be the drawback of applet? Plugin is required at client browser to execute the applet. Now, the hierarchy of the applet is given here. At the top, object class, from the object class, component class is derived, and from that container, panel, applet, and then JApplet class is derived. Now the next point is the applet life cycle. In the applet life cycle, in the whole life cycle of the applet, there will be the five states are there. First one is initialized, init, started, pent, stop, and destroy. Now see the diagram of the applet life cycle. See the life cycle of an applet is shown in the figure. You can see the figure. See init call is given, then born go to the born state. From the born, if start is calling, then go to the running state. From the running state, you can call pent and remain same as it is on the running state. From the running, if you are calling to stop method, then idle state will become, and at the idle state if you are calling to start, then again running process or running state will be occur. If the at the idle state, if you are calling to destroy method, then dead state will be there in the applet life cycle. Now, as shown in the above diagram, the life cycle of an applet start with init method and ends with destroy method. Other life cycle methods are start, stop, pent. The method to execute only once in the applet life cycle are init and destroy. Other methods execute multiple times. Now below is the description of each applet lifecycle method. Init. This method is first method to execute when the applet is executed. Variable declaration and initialization operations are performed in this method. Now start. This method contain actual code of the applet that should run. The start method execute immediately after the init method. It executes whether the applet is restored, maximized, or moving from one tab to another in the browser. Now next one is the stop. The stop method stops the execution of applet. The stop method executes when the applet is minimized or when moving from one tab to another in the browser. Now the next one is the destroy. Destroy method executes when the applet window is closed or when the tab containing the web page is closed. Stop method executes just before when destroy. This method is invoke. Destroy method removes the applet object from the memory. Now next one is the pent method. This is used to withdraw the output of the applet display area. The pent method executes after the execution of start method whenever the applet or browser is resized. The method execution sequence when an applet is executed is init, start, pent, and the method execution when an applet is closed, then stop and destroy. Here is the one example of the program which demonstrates the life cycle of an applet is as follows. See, firstly, we are importing the applet awt package java.awt.star, then applet package java.applet.star. Now public class my applet extends applet. Firstly init method public void init system.out.println applet initialized. Then start method system.out.println applet execution started. Then stop method applet execution stop. Then pent println penting, and lastly destroy means applet gets destroy. That will the example of this applet. Now the output of the above applet program when run using applet viewer tool is applet initialized, applet execution started, penting, applet execution stop, applet destroyed. That will be the output of this applet life cycle. Means there will be the total main five states. Means here born, running, idle, and dead, these are the five states, but the methods are there: initiate, init, start, pent, stop, and destroy. These are the methods in the applet. Hope so all of you are understanding what will be the applet and what will be the life cycle of applet. Thank you very much for watching.